Bitcoin, we must go up. You wanna know the last information about the crypto world? Smash the like button. It's time for Crypto News, Crypto to the Max with Rodrigo Arnedo. And today we're gonna tell you what this tweet is saying. Stats telling us we basically must go up. Why? Because of the theory of the last quarter. But first things first, we have to go to our chart and you can see thumbs down. We are going down. How is that even possible? And we broke again this point we didn't want to. So now, even though we are still with a higher high, well, we're going down and that is not good. What's going to happen? We don't really understand because you can see in the stock market that China is going crazy up. True is that Japan is going down. So right now, Bitcoin is following Japan and not China. Why is always the worst for us, for Bitcoin holders? You can see here that China economy is making records all over. We told you in previous videos, watch them all. And also you see that dollar keeps on going down. And you can see that we have this cross. The last time we had that one with these moving averages, dollar price went down for good for some time. So hopefully this is going to happen, and this is also bullish. Consider that we are just 36 days away of the new president in the United States, and also maybe you didn't realize that we're going to have another rate cuts, probably another Fed decision exactly the very next day to election day in the United States. Also, according to this, Fed Chair Jerome Powell will give a speech today. So we'll see how this affects the market. And more about politicians and regulators. RFK Jr., I put most of my wealth in Bitcoin. I'm fully committed. He is fully committed with holding Bitcoin. Also, everybody buying the ETFs in the United States. We know today that BlackRock's spot Ethereum ETF surpassed 1 billion in value for the first time. So not just Bitcoin, it's also for Ethereum. We are happy knowing that. And most people believe that the current drop from Bitcoin is a gift to some ETFs that have till today, Monday evening, for buying more Bitcoin. So maybe that was it for that drop. BlackRock Bitcoin ETF demanding 12-hour Bitcoin withdrawal from Coinbase was a bullish piece of information. Eric Balchunas explained that to us, the idea that BlackRock is just running its own Bitcoin node, and that is good. He's like, okay, these are no beginners. They know about this. They have ETFs all over the place for a long period of time. So they know how to custody and they know how they need to check everything. So they have their node. They are asking Coinbase for having this 12-hour withdrawal so we don't have Bitcoin paper. So everything is mostly in track. So then why is price of cryptocurrencies going down? Well, we have this argument also, the idea that most people believe FTX is going to start repayment this $16 billion to its creditors today, but it's not true. According to Coin Bureau, it would be not until October the 7th. So maybe this was some excitement, and then once we know it's going to be October the 7th, maybe then we drop, maybe so. What do you think about that? Leave a comment below, and we'll see about this date, October 7th, if this is true, and also we'll see how this affects the market. The idea here is that a lot of these people having the money back, having the USDT or the dollars, they will buy back into crypto. That might be so, or the other way around. Remember, no one knows what's going to happen. Greedy or scared. We are in 61 today, and some people trolling for good, like Elon Musk with Doge, the Department of Government Efficiency, with Dogecoin, of course. And to be scared, well, Zimbabwe's central bank just devalued its gold-backed currency by over 40% against the US dollar. So if you are holding fiat, you should be more scared, in my opinion. In the weekly, good news for Bitcoin, confirmed its first higher high and higher low for the first time in 6 months, which was good. You have here the chart, remember these moving averages and everything we told you in previous videos. So that's a good one. And we are almost over with the month. So tomorrow, Q4 starts. And allegedly, it's going to be a good one. Here you have Biden just waiting hours for this month to be over. And I asked Claude to create this timer. So we are just 13 hours, 39 minutes, 26 minutes away for this October to come to us. Maybe it's going to be a really nice month. Whenever Bitcoin has closed a green September, it has gone to have a positive fourth quarter every time in the past. Average return is 170. Couple of major outliers there, so it would be closer to 50% if taking those out. Right now, September trying to be the best September in Bitcoin history with that 9.31%. We'll tell you in the next Crypto News Watch and all what happens with the closure. And also, if we consider how Bitcoin goes close to behavior of Standard & Poor's 500, well, you can see here that in the first 8-9 months, never all the 9 are in the green. So we had 8. And any time that we have a similar situation with the things we are having right now, we have a good Q4 with average gain of 6.6%. So good for the stock market, good for Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies also. Consider this idea from Quinton. Bitcoin tricked everyone in thinking the bull market already started before the halving. Reality is that Bitcoin halving years like 2016, 2020 are always boring and preparing for the real run. Prepare yourself for Q4 in 2025. Just 1 day left. Just 1 day left. So we might start tomorrow this crazy banana parabolic mode that we had in 2012, 2016, 2020, and why not right now? Consider that 4.9 trillion Fidelity says that one Bitcoin might be worth $1 billion by 2038. We're going up forever. That's a nice statement. And remember our crazy chart, the only one that you see here on Crypto News found on the right. Remember to smash the like button. Well, we are 931% up, the best September from our comparison. And we'll see about October, November, and December. Watch all the videos. Maybe this is the last month for you for being broke. And October is here and we have to celebrate it. The bubbles are mostly in the green. Remember, you can follow all this with dextools.io, and they have the DexForce Festival, 5th October, 5th, 4th. You have to be in Barcelona, and you have a trick right now, which is 2 for 1 deal. 2 tickets, the price of 1. Go to the link in the description below and do not miss that festival. Also, you have all the news you need about it on their X account. I'm going to leave the link in the description below too. Remember that we still have some bad news out there. The gap of the futures. Are we going to go to $54,000? Remember also, if you want to be scared that we might be right now emulating this moment here. We don't want to emulate the moment we went to this moving average like this, but the one that we had here. We told you everything about this in the past Crypto News, so you have to watch it if you haven't already. And also consider that maybe in this bull run, you'll be on Coinbase, and Coinbase will not let you buy or sell whenever you want. And more than that, now we have some users saying they have this message, CryptoSense restricted. So if you don't want to have that, consider buying a cold wallet with Trezor. Right now, you have some discounts with Trezor bundles with a 10% off. So I'm gonna leave the link in the description below again so you can buy them and take advantage of that. And also remember that you can participate in the prize pool of 1 Ethereum from here to December the 21st. And that would be staking Ethereum with them, as we told you in our video. Just find it in the description below also. 10% discount for coin tracking if you use the link in the description below for the best portfolio tracker out there, and also for creating your tax report. And that's that for today. We just have here cats going down with stairs. Well, it's good it's not an elevator, but cats going down. This is a sign that we are going to keep on going lower. Hopefully not, but maybe we have to hide for a couple of days till finally October comes. Let's hide with this friend of us. And if not, why not if we keep on learning like this too? Learning, being patient, and of course, not just crypto, but also AI with our channel, Inteligencia Artificial, with Rodrigo Arnedo. Now we're going to have videos on Monday, today, on Wednesday, and also on Friday. Both crypto news and AI news here. Remember, of course, to smash the like button. Crypto News, Rodrigo Arnedo, health, money, love, power in peace, and the best is yet to come.